Hi, my name is Klaus. I'm your inspector today. Just inspected this vehicle for you. The vehicle is a Cat S damage. You can see there's a few alignment issues on it. Bumper is a bit flimsy. You can find every little thing where they've been doing something. You know, there's nothing you can do. It's not done to the manufacturer specifications, and everything is put back. And there's some wiring loose and some cables loose, some other bits and bobs loose. Visually, it's done to the good visual standard, but obviously, however, once you're going through with the paint thickness gauge, you can see quite a lot of filler used. You can already see there's a bit of rust spot developing, you know, so over the period of time there will be issues with corrosion, and then will start deteriorating slowly. Also, right side, the gap is wider than the left side. However, there's no haven't noticed any visual structural damage, previous structural damage. I think it could be probably more down to lining up the boot lid. Probably you'll see some imperfections, a bit dirty, the bumper. And etc. There's one little scratch. Again, same on this side. A lot of fillers used. This section had some damage here as well, so more than 1,000 of microns of filler used, but it doesn't look like the panels haven't been replaced. You'll see some imperfections like that. Interior, there has some marks on the seats, wear and tear marks, and we've got some damage there. These two tires, advised to replace, as this one has two big cuts in it, in several places, that place, a bit slightly uneven tire wears on those noticed. Obviously, I don't know whether those are original ones or not. These ones have been replaced, they are fine. I recommend the tracking to be done on it, as a track rod end's been replaced. Yeah, that is sort of the vehicle. The bonnet security latch doesn't work. It's not fitted. I fitted all the trays back. So you see, you don't need to press the little lever to open it up. All the plastics they're not original clips used, just aftermarket. When you will see, there is a bit of moisture now developing. You can see the imperfections where they've been repairing, but as far as I can see, it's a satisfactory repair. Obviously, it's not perfect. It's not been done to manufacturer's standards. To me, there's slightly a kink in the middle section, so probably something haven't been lined up properly when you looking closely. So it's a bit of wear, a bit more than normal wear and tear for 47,000 miles on this seat base. So otherwise everything is sort of neat. Carpet's in reasonable condition. You'll see some scuff marks and marks around here where they've been painting it, or spray marks. As you can see, this vehicle is a salvage that's more likely been in a terrible bodywork condition, you know. Probably that's why it doesn't show the pictures for the vehicle. You always find imperfections. The bumper is not fitted correctly, as they're sort of flimsy, you know. But I mean, it's reasonable. I will have to leave you to decide whether to buy it or not. I would not buy this vehicle because of this whole of the vehicle has been resprayed and too much filler used. It's not to my standard, but I will have to leave you to decide. As you can see as well, a bit of gaps here. I mean, you can go to perfection and master it if you prefer. Thanks for using this.